The Most High God created the world and everything in it. God loved man, and man was loyal to God. But one day, man disobeyed God and became sinful. Now man is on a path away from God. But God still loves us. So Jesus came to lead us back to God. Jesus died to take the punishment for our sin. After 3 days, God brought Jesus back to life. If we admit our sin and believe in Jesus, God will forgive us and let us come back to Him.